Here we have at Ultimate Murcia, we have a new property that offers a huge amount of outdoor space. We've got an end townhouse here on New Sierra Golf. Now these properties offer so much space for the money, and with what you'll notice with this plot here is got a huge amount of outdoor space that has been modernised. So we've had the artificial grass laid, we've had the tiles put down here, so we've got a huge area here. Now at the moment this property has an overground pool, and it's suited these owners particularly well because they can just close it up for the winter and then reopen it again for the summer. So the over the ground pool is here, but as you can see there is plenty of space. Should you decide that you would like to add in a pool of your own, then there's ample amount of space available around the outside of this property. So we've got a storage shed to the side, and then we've got a covered area, seating area here, along with this area here, which you notice has got the mechanical pergola here to enable you to sit comfortably in the shade. So I'm just going to take you inside to the property. And the property here, as you walk into the house, you'll see that we have some dining space here. We've got ceiling fans in all of the rooms, and there's a slight separation here between the living area and the dining area. So if you walk through, this property is being sold part furnished. Then we've got the kitchen here that lends itself to the back of the property, and quite a nice little surprise here is the owners have actually opened up the kitchen here to what used to be the utility area outside, and they've maximised the space here. They've modernised here with the colour tones on the cupboards and the kitchen cupboards and cabinets, and then we've got the white goods in here. So again, ample amount of space here in the kitchen. I'll just turn you around so you can have a look back on the living space. It's quite a good amount of living space here. Now this property has 2 bedrooms, but also has an underbuild which allows for a 3rd bedroom. So this bathroom here is on the ground floor, and I'm just going to take you downstairs into the underbuild. Now the underbuilds in these properties often are converted into a number of different things: bedrooms, games rooms, media rooms. This particular property here has had extra sleeping arrangements for families, you can see. So there's a bunk bed there, extra storage. It's very cool down here as well. And then there's 2 beds here. So technically, whether you'd want to include this as a bedroom, a 3rd bedroom, or you could use this as an office space, media games area. And then there's even more space as we come around through here. The owners have actually converted this into a bathroom, really good sized bathroom. So it's a fantastic use of the space down here in the underbuild. So I'm going to take you back through to the main area of the property. I'm going to take you upstairs and show you the bedrooms. So we've got 2 bedrooms in this property, and on the 1st floor. So it's very light in here. You notice we've got the light bricks coming through on the stairwell. It's very light throughout this entire property. And we've got the master bedroom here to the front of the property. Benefits from ceiling fans, aircon. And then you've got a little balcony here at the front of the property. And then we can have a look down from the front of the property into the garden area here. So there's ample room for you. It's not overlooked. And then we'll go through to the 2nd bedroom here. Again, very tastefully decorated, very well kept. There's the shutters on all the windows. We've got the built-in wardrobes again here, consistent through both the bedrooms. And then we have the family bathroom, washing machine up here, sink and vanity, and then we have a bath as well for those of you who like to have a soak in the tub. So, and then we'll go up here to the solarium, where we have some fantastic views. We actually have, in the distance, we have a sea view. So the solarium area here. So as you can see, this property has a huge amount of space. Just up here, hot tub, hang your washing, whichever you choose. Benefits from the sun all day. So we're on a nice quiet street. There are 3 bars and restaurants within walking distance of this property. Got the mountain views in the background. You can see here mountain views, and then we have La Manga and the Mar Menor in the background there. You can see there we've got the sea view. So guys, this property is on the market at €127,500. It's Ultimate Murcia. If you'd like to know any more about the property, contact us via the website, through Facebook, or on any of our social media links.